Professor Paunam Gunindro, Vice Chancellor of Manipur University of Culture, said Thang-Ta is gaining popularity among students in Manipur after its inclusion in the school curriculum. He said the appointment of Thang-Ta teachers in government schools would further help in promoting the traditional martial art. He made the statement during the Huyen Lanlong Numit observance organized by Apunba Manipur Huyen Lanlong Lup at Mapal Kangjebung. The program was attended by cultural and educational officials, Thang-Ta teachers and practitioners. Students from various schools also demonstrated Thang-Ta as part of the observance. Floral tributes were paid to the departed Thang-Ta teachers during the program. Professor Gunindro said Thang-Ta has helped instill discipline among students and highlighted its historical importance in defending the ancient Manipuri kingdom. He stressed the need to introduce Thang-Ta in all schools in line with NEP 2020. President of Apunba Manipur Huyen Lanpao Lup Sintakpurel Okram Mangle Maitei called for collective efforts to preserve the ancient Meitei martial art. He said protecting the Thang-Ta tradition is essential for keeping the cultural heritage alive.
Mayra mini mai chong hen maduna ai lam pham di halaro edna ma gi khuju khulai thang na ching ba jo ki pang de la le yan chi ram ari ri mo madu madung de karim lai business ki long nam lang thak sida akhoi moi gi khucheng lan to sunna akhoi kangla darbar da sai manga ngo bu ma tu re le pya da ram ba mo kin gi khoi pai pu na ne madu hala ngai bu na te business na khoi madu di lak che man ge na anu ma ri ko mi kum tha mari Mabunji juba thonggiba ayam lu sigirau je loina na Thang-Ta thingjallane na chai ni phu mari manga si loila moiru matam da khodi namna phona gi bani marudagi aram chamendro are khoi matam di nikhilindi ma sabana nikhala kanda sajal thola je na sajan mam da je yam ni je tumba mi khunai kanna na thagi ga chi leiba ama gam ga tinne ba ya ne na longnam lang am khoi mi je yapang mana te to bu digi di chi high school da tonga bidisna ya dana wajam hatuna woina sajali bholai ne aduna hoja kon pandu ji kaino malem da hojo ji yelo mim sa khang dre to i do thab ka thoi hui thoi mang da tai ba jing da tang kin da ji mapang bu ma sa khang da balam lai ta ba gi le chalak ba mun phon rak ba gi kang khong jai na tro ma ji kana na nga me me tai thang tai pa mom pa nga ma ne
कोई 1934 के दौरान 1929 के दौरान होरे को चोराचांद महाराज ना निखिल हिंदी मणिपुरी महासभा दे तोरकान अखोगी लेबा Thang-Ta gi kari gi sunga mahi ase musilak dore masi amuk kana masi hingan na tausi kana dedagi Thang-Ta gi okoi si tam hinglak na ngasi bawa organization myam lakna okoi internationally okoi Thang-Ta si okoi na masak khangwai mama oiri bin